Hey YouTube, it's MewTwoMaster87, and today I finally have some packs to open. It's been a while since I finished the Next Destiny set. There's nothing out that I really, sorry, that was bothering me. Nothing out that to open, because all I'm working on now is older sets, and there's no packs for me to open unless I want to spend a lot of money per pack, and it's easier to pay for the cards. So, but sorry to ramble. Today I have the Forces of Nature collection box that came out. I really like the Landers full art. I'm not too big on promos, but it's still a really nice card. So let's open it up and see what I get out of the packs. It looks really nice. So this just isn't working out. There we go. Alright. Comes with 3 packs, 2 Emerging Powers and 1 Call of Legend. Knocked over Jolteon there. And then 2 promo. Oops. Reverse art. Thunderous and Tornadus. Alright. And I'll go ahead and start with the Call of Legends. So I don't need anything out of these, so anything I get will be up for trade. It's been so long since I've opened cards, I forgot the trick. Alright. Magikarp. Coughing. Mareep. Tangela. Eevee. Darkness Energy, Pidgeotto, Copycat Supporter, a Reverse Snubble, and a Mr. Mime Rare. Alright, next to Emerging Powers. Alright, Roggenrola, Volibee, Purrloin, Drillbur, Sewaddle, Bianca, Ferrothorn, Sulk, a Reverse P-Dove, and a Hollow Tornadus. And last pack. So I do have the booster box ordered for Dark Explorers. I'm looking so forward to opening that. I'm so excited, can't wait. Just a few more weeks and I'll have that video up. Sandile, Gothita, P-Dove, Ferroseed, Geotic, Swadloon, Galvantula, Crushing Hammer, a reverse Roggenrola, and a rare Semi-Pore. So, basically, the main reason I bought this, Landers Full Art. Just because Full Art cards are probably my favorite cards. I just like them. And just to give you a heads up, when I bought the Forces of Nature, I had to look at the pack. Mine went blank. I also picked up the T-Pig box. I haven't opened this yet. I opened the Oshawott box, so this will be in my next video. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.